So in this next series of videos, we're going to build a very basic game. This is based on a Scratch 1.4 example. I will demo that right now. So if I take and go to presentation mode and run it, you'll see when I move my mouse, it moves the paddle back and forth, and the ball bounces off of there. And if I let it miss, and it's red, the game ends. It's a very basic game, but we're going to rebuild this piece by piece in Scratch 2. So the first step is we're going to do the paddle. So that's a really simple piece of code. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to trash our sprite. And we're going to make a new sprite called we're going to draw this ourselves. We're going to get the paintbrush, and we're going to go and grab a rectangle, and we're going to fill it with a black, and that should be good. Now, one of the real keys here is that Control Z. Grab my mouse. We want to make sure that the center of rotation of our object is the center of the paddle. That's going to make our lives way easier. So we have our paddle. He's off the center. I can now start writing some code for it, and we're going to name him paddle. This is a brand new piece called ball bounce. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get a starting position for him. So I'm going to move this paddle roughly to here, and I'm going to grab the go to position XY. And I like round numbers, so we're going to make X 0 and the Y negative 150. And we're going to take and put our favorite block, the when flag pressed, we're going to go to position. Now, we need to follow the mouse cursor, and that's actually really easy to do in Scratch. So we're going to forever motion move to, we're going to set the X to sensing mouse X. So at all times, his X will reflect the mouse X. So now that we've built a very basic block, we're going to hit the green flag and see that as I move my mouse back and forth, the paddle stays with it at all times. So there's a very basic paddle. Our next video, we'll start building the ball, and then finally we'll build the backdrop and the rest of the game logic.